Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Students, as we have started our 8th lesson, the fridge zone, and we have seen that fridge zone means aurora borealis and aurora australis are spectacular displays, red, green, and purple light, and they shimmer in the sky. And aurora australis can be seen near the Antarctic Circle, and aurora borealis can be seen in the near the Arctic Circle. So, as we have seen that is a north freeze zone located between 66 half degree north to 90 degree north and 66 half degree south to 90 degree south freeze zone is located. Okay, and that lies between the Antarctic Circle and the South Pole and Arctic Circle in the North Pole. Okay, and as we have seen about the climate, see, in the north and the south freeze zones are far from the equator, so the rays of the sun hits the zone in a slanting manner, as this zone is very cold throughout the year. Okay, and we have seen the plant life we are having very scarce means shortage of a plant life in a freeze zone. Now coming to the now we will see our lesson here, animals, animals, animal. See, the number of animals living in this region is low compared to other regions of the world. So in summer months a lot of animals, birds and insects can be found, and few specially adapted long frozen winters can survive throughout the year. So in harsh cold climate, many animals migrate to warm region and become dormant. D-O-R-M-A-N-T, dormant. What do you mean by dormant, student? Not active. So animals found in this region include wolves, fox, ranger, wolves, squirrels, snow hare, and ramen, as well as bird, insects and fish like amphibians and reptiles are rare. Arctic pole herd ranger and depend on them for food. So like the white fur of some animals make it difficult to spot them against the snow and ice, and thus give them an advantage against their prey on their predators. Predators, an animal that preys upon another animals. Okay, so some animals such as armis and Arctic fox with have a white fur in winters, which change to grey and brown in summer. So birds of the freeze zone include snow wolves, Arctic terns and penguins. So these seas around this zone abound the fish, seal and whales and walrus are found in the freeze zone. And the people who live in a freeze zone, because of the harsh climate, life is difficult in the Arctic zone. So the tribes live in the region: Yaktus, Samodias, Chukis of Siberia, and Aleutians of Alaska, Inuits of Greenland, and Lapps of North Scandinavian are the tribes of the freeze zone. And most of the people are nomadic. N-O-M-A-G-I-C-K, nomadic. Nomadic are the tribes which move from one place to another place. Nomadic hunters, for killing the animals, they are moving from one place to another place, who hunt seal, walrus and other game. Wild animals including birds and fish which are hunted for food, so using harpoons, bows and arrows. So they are also expert like a fisherman. The Lapps are famous for herders of reindeers and depends on them for a skin and fur, milk and transportation. Transportation methods are very unique in the free zone. So when long distance needs to cover sledge down, and they use reindeer and dogs. So the sledges have runners rather than wheels of moving on the snow from one place to another place. And coming to the winter are extremely cold in Greenland. Okay, and it is very difficult to imagine how cold it is and get there. So the most part of the time the sun does not reach, and then the horizon, H-O-R-I-Z-O, and horizon, where the line and the sky seem to meet at that place, is known as the horizon. Okay, there is a heavy snowfall and extremely chill wind called the blizzards. So the only protection is the fur clothing, where it comes from the skin and calvi and sometimes from seals. People wear coats and trousers, stockings and shoes there. So you must have heard of the igloos. Yes, these also found Inuits' house in winters. And when hunters went for hunting from the food, they built these temporary shelters to protect them from harsh climate. The igloos can be built very fast, which had picked snow. Inside it is quite cozy, and there is usually a low snow platform covered with pigs. In summer, of course, the igloos melt and the people move to another animal skin tents. So the Inuits live in wood cabins in which animals' fat is burned in shallow lamps of the pottery and stones. So the light of the cabin makes it warm. And fish and meat can also be cooked on this. Kinds of sport which we find in the freeze zone, that is football, skiing, badminton, handball, table tennis, teakwood, and volleyball. This also can be watched in television or listened to be radio. So in summer times, Inuits grow their own vegetables, and most of their foods materials are also bought there from other countries. And many people move to the cities which have good school, medical, and shopping centers and other facilities. So they also have found jobs in the mines. There are even airports in some cities. So the capital of Greenland is Nuuk, and it is also called Godthap. Nuuk, N-U-N-W-K, Nuuk, and it is also called Godthap, G-O-D-T-H-A-B, Thap, Godthap. Okay, students, so here our lesson is finished. I hope you have understood. Practice the hard word, and thank you. Bye bye.